Well, Madison firefighters responded to a carbon monoxide alarm Saturday and soon learned they were dealing with much more than gas. Crews were called to the 600 block of Gilmore Street just after 11:20 p.m. The homeowner told firefighters that they were without heat following a power surge that knocked out furnaces around the neighborhood. The homeowner said that they had been using 4 space heaters over the last 6.5 hours to keep the home warm. Firefighters checked the attic and found smoldering insulation and burned wiring. A water can was used to put out the fire and cool down the burning materials.